Hello students and welcome back to another class of mathematics. So in previous class we have discussed about how to do the calculation on time like in hour, minutes and seconds, which is limited in a day. But what about the calculation about days, months, weeks, years, how to do the calculation? So don't be afraid, the rules are same. You have to keep in mind few points, like we know that the smallest unit is second, then it is minute, then it is hour, then day. Then from day there are two different conversions are there, that is week and month. And from week and month there is this single conversion, that is year. So whenever we are calculating, we have to follow the units, whatever is there. Like 60 second is equals to 1 minute. Similarly, 60 minute equals to 1 hour. 24 hour equals to 1 day. 7 day equals to 1 week. Or 30 day is equals to 1 month. Similarly, 52 week is equals to 1 year. Or 12 month equals to 1 year. So these values we have to remember that how these values is changing. Okay, now let's see some examples, then it will be more clear to you. Okay, consider this example. In case of addition of two time, it is written in hour and months, then we have to follow the rule of addition of time, like 12 months equals to 1 year. We have to remember this. So now if we do the simple, first we do the simple calculation, that is 16 months, like you have done in hour and minute, and here it is 23 years. So we know that is 16 months which is greater than 12. Why? Because 1 year equals to 12 months. Earlier we used to subtract 60 because it was 1 hour equals to 60 minute or 1 minute equals to 60 second. Here also we will do the same, as it is more than 12. So 12 will be subtracted and 1 will be added. Why not 60? Because the relation is not for 60. The relation is 1 and 12. So that is why 12 subtracted and 1 added. So it becomes 4 months. And it is 24 years. So this is our answer. This is how we do the calculation. Okay. In case of subtraction, we will do the same procedure. So the units are week and day. So the relation is 7 to 1. So 1 week is equals to 7 days. So we can see that this value is smaller, subtraction is not possible. So we will do the same procedure as we have done earlier. 1 will be taken from here, so it will become 6. And 1 week equals to 7 days is given here. So 7 plus 2, that is 9. So 9 days. Now the subtraction is possible. So it is 5 days and it is 2 weeks. That's it. Let's take an example of a word problem where the value of month is not given. So like question number 5. In 2 years 9 months from now, Suresh will be 13 years old. So how old is Suresh now? That means Suresh is much younger. After 2 years 9 months, he will become 13 years. So what we have to do? We have to simply subtract 2 years 9 months from 13 years. So age of Suresh now, it is, we have to subtract, we will write 00 months because the month value is not given, so it is 00 simply. So we have to subtract 2 years and 9 months. Subtraction is not possible, we will follow the same rule. We will take 1 from here, so it will become 12. And 1 year equals to 12 months is given here, so it will become 12. So 12 minus 9, that is 3 months. And it is 10 years. So the age of Suresh now is 10 years, 3 months. Isn't it easy? Let's take another example. Question number 8a. Ankita is 10 years, 6 months old. Her sister Anamika is 5 years, 8 months older to her. How old is she? So we have to find the age of Anamika. So we have to simply add the value. So age of Anamika So simply we have to add 10 years, 6 months to 5 year, 8 months. So 6 plus 8, that is 14 months, and it is 15 years. So again the value we have to see, it is year to month, that is 1 to 12 calculation. So it is greater than 12, so we have to subtract 12 from here and add 1 here. So it is 2 months and it is 16 years. So we can easily say the value, the age of Anamika is 16 years 2 months. So I have solved few problems for you. I hope the calculation that I have shown and the explanation that I have given is quite understandable for you. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.